Hey, stop. Before you scroll, give me just 2 minutes. What if I told you you could become a James Cameron level movie director without managing actors, cameras, or a crew? Now, I know that sounds crazy, but stay with me for a moment, because this is where things start to change. Think about how movies are created today. You need actors, you need cameras, you need locations, you need lighting, you need editors, you need sound designers, and all of that takes time, money, and a full production team. Even a small movie can take weeks or months to produce and cost thousands, sometimes even millions of dollars. That's why most people never even try, not because they don't have ideas, but because the process is too complex, too expensive, and too overwhelming. But here's the truth no one is talking about. The way movies are created is changing. Right now, AI is transforming everything, from writing to design to content creation, and now, movie production. For the first time ever, you don't need a studio, you don't need a crew, you don't need expensive equipment. All you need is an idea. Because now, there's a system that can take that idea and turn it into a complete cinematic movie, automatically. Introducing AI Movie Director, the breakthrough AI-powered platform that lets you write full movie scripts in seconds, generate cinematic scenes and visuals, create characters in dialogue, add voice acting, music, and sound effects, edit and produce complete movies, all from one simple dashboard. This isn't just another tool, and it's definitely not just another AI generator. This is a complete AI movie production engine. Here's how it works. You enter your idea, that's it. The AI instantly writes your movie script, breaks it into scenes, generates cinematic visuals, adds characters and voices, applies sound effects and music, and edits everything together into a complete movie. No filming, no editing, no production headaches. Just your idea turned into a movie. And here's where it gets even more powerful. Because once you can create movies this easily, you're no longer limited. You can create more content, more stories, more ideas, faster than ever before. And that changes everything. Because in today's world, consistency wins. The people who create more grow faster, reach more people, build bigger audiences, and unlock more opportunities. But most people struggle because creating movies manually is exhausting. With AI Movie Director, that problem disappears. Now you can create movies consistently, produce cinematic content anytime, scale your ideas effortlessly, build digital assets that work for you. In those movies, they don't just exist once. They keep working for you, bringing views, attention, traffic, opportunities, day after day, month after month. That's the power of movie content as a digital asset. And the best part? This system was designed for beginners. You don't need filmmaking experience, editing skills, technical knowledge. If you can type an idea, you can create a movie. Now let's talk about cost. Traditional movie production? Thousands, even millions of dollars. AI tools? Usually monthly subscriptions. $29, $49, $97, or more. But today, during this special launch, you can unlock AI Movie Director for a low one-time price. No subscriptions, no recurring fees. Just activate it once and use it forever. And yes, you're fully protected with our 30-day money-back guarantee. Try it, test it, and if you don't love it, we'll refund every penny. No questions asked. So now the real question is simple. Do you want to keep struggling with complex movie production, or do you want to step into the future and let AI handle everything for you? Because right now, you have the opportunity to create cinematic movies automatically, skip actors, cameras, and editing, produce more content in less time, scale your creativity, finally create like a real movie director. This isn't just another tool. This is your AI-powered movie studio. One idea, one click, a complete cinematic movie. Click the button below, activate AI Movie Director, and start creating movies today. No stress, no complexity, no production costs, just movies on autopilot. Your move.